Exercise number 1. Dumbbell bent over row on a bench. Start by placing one hand and knee on the bench with a wide stance. Lift a dumbbell with a neutral grip, keeping your back straight and chest lifted. Pull the dumbbell towards your hip, leading with your elbow, then lower it back down.
To the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me.
Exercise number 2. Cable seated wide grip row. Grip a bar slightly wider than shoulder width, assume the starting position, inhale, and pull the handle towards your abdomen while leaning back slightly. Exhale and slowly return to the starting position by extending your arms and leaning forward. Let your scapulae move freely by sliding them forward in the starting position and pulling them back in the end position. Exercise number 3. Cable one arm twisting seated row. Sit on a bench or stability ball, grasp a handle attached to the cable with one hand, and pull it towards your body while rotating your trunk. This exercise targets the back muscles, specifically the latissimus dorsi, rhomboids, and trapezius, engaging the biceps, forearms, and core muscles.
Take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this, cause I know that I want it.
Exercise number 4. Dumbbell Incline Row. Set an adjustable bench at a 30 to 35 degree incline, lie facing down with dumbbells in hand, row the dumbbells towards your torso, hold briefly, and lower them slowly.
So you couldn't believe, just tell me that I can, just tell me that I can, just tell me that I can, just tell me that I can.
Exercise number 5. Leave a low row exercise, start by adjusting the weight to your preference. Sit down, maintain a neutral spine, and ensure your shoulders are down with an arched back. Pull the handles towards your torso, squeeze, then return to a 90-degree angle. Avoid full extension, focus on proper form, and engage your back muscles throughout the movement.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started, a life is...
Exercise number 6. Smith machine bent over row. Stand facing the bar with an overhand grip, hands wider than shoulder width apart. Lower the bar all the way down, then straighten your back, slightly bend your knees, and lower the weight just below your knees. Pull the weight up until it almost touches your body, pause, then lower it back down. Keep your back straight, avoid arching, and maintain control throughout the movement.
Place, don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way, so I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll